Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this placemat to match the rose napkin ring that we've already made. This set adds some sparkle to your dining table, not only for the New Year's Eve but for the all year long. So let's get started. Holding two strands together, make a slip knot and then chain 31. Starting into the second chain from the hook, make one single crochet and then one single crochet into each chain across. At the end of the first row, you should have 30 single crochets in total. Continue making single crochet rows until you have a total of 45 single crochet rows. Once you've made your 45 single crochet rows, you are going to chain one, and now you are going to single crochet all the way around your panel, and you are going to stop here. To do this, in each corner you are going to chain one and then make one single crochet into each single crochet row. Now with your ricurumi you are going to make a slip knot and we are going to join into the corner, and I'm going to show you right away how to create the corner. We are making now the edging. So make a slip stitch to join your yarn and then chain one. This doesn't count as a stitch. Into the same stitch you are going to make 1/2 double crochets, 9 double crochets, and 1/2 double crochet. Now you are going to skip one stitch and single crochet into the next. So this is the corner. Skip one stitch and in the next stitch you are going to make 1/2 double crochet, 5 double crochets, and 1/2 double crochet, all worked into the same stitch. And here starts your repeat. Skip one, single crochet into the next, skip one and make your shell stitch. When you reach your corner, you are going to make the shell stitch that we've made here. Work like this all the way around and I'll meet you back to show you how to make this row right here. Once you went all the way around, you are going to slip stitch to your first stitch, and without cutting your yarn, we are going to start working our slip stitch, surface slip stitches. So to do this, you are going to pull your loop high and then go with your crochet hook there where you want to have your slip stitches. So you can go here or here or here, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to go here. And now I'm going to pull my loop up here and to make the surface slip stitch, go into the next hole, yarn over, pull your loop through and through the loop, one hole up, yarn over, pull through and through the loop. Now I'm going to go on this side into the next hole, yarn over, pull through the next. Continue working like this all the way around. Once you're at the end, you are just going to fasten off and secure the yarn on the back side of your work and you're done. Et voila, here is the placemat with this gorgeous edging. Go ahead, using the same technique, make as many placemats as you need. Bye!